In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM for a beginner. By the end, you'll have a clean, working CRM with your company details, customized layouts, your data imported, email connected, your team invited, and some basic automation running. Let's start with the initial setup and your company profile. In Zoho CRM, go to the gear icon, which is the setup area. Under the General section, open Company Settings. Here, fill in your basic business details like your company name, address, website, and time zone. Taking a moment to get this right helps with consistent branding on emails and documents, and it ensures dates and times line up correctly for your team. Once that's done, still under General, go into Personal Settings. This is where you adjust things like your preferred language, date format, and your personal time zone. Set these up so the system feels natural to you from day one. Next, let's customize fields and layouts so Zoho matches the way your business actually works. Back in the gear icon under Setup, go to Customization, then Modules and Fields. Choose a module, for example, Leads, and open the standard layout. You'll see a layout editor with a tray of fields on the left. Simply drag and drop the fields you need into the layout and remove anything you know you'll never use. This keeps your screens clean and helps your team focus on the information that matters. When you're happy with the layout, click Save and Close. Now it's time to bring your existing data into Zoho. Click on the Leads tab or Contacts if that's where you want to start, then hit the Import button in the top right and choose Import Leads. Upload your file, usually a CSV or Excel file, click Next, then carefully map each column in your file to the correct field in Zoho. This mapping step is crucial for keeping your data organized. When everything looks correct, click Finish and let Zoho process the import. To connect your business email, go back to the gear icon, then Channels, Email, and Email Configuration. Choose your provider, like Gmail or Outlook, select IMAP, and authorize the connection. Once connected, emails to and from your leads and contacts can be tracked directly in the CRM, giving you a full communication history in one place. To add team members, go again to the gear icon, then Users and Control Users, and click Add New User. Enter their basic details and assign appropriate roles and permissions so they only see what they need. Finally, let's set up some simple automation. Under the gear icon, go to Automation, then Workflow Rules, and click Create Rule. Choose the module you want this rule to apply to, give the rule a clear name, and click Next. Define when it should run, for example, when a record is created or edited, then set your conditions and choose an instant action, such as sending an email or updating a field. This helps you automate repetitive tasks and keep your process consistent without extra manual work.